In today's video, I am going to teach you how to view completed tasks in Microsoft Planner. When you work in Planner, completed tasks can disappear from your main view, which is great for staying focused, but not so great when you need to confirm what was finished or review past work. In just a moment, you will learn how to bring those completed items back into view so you can reference them quickly. Start by opening Microsoft Planner in your browser or in the Planner app and go to the plan you want to review. Look for your project plan in the left navigation or from your recent plans list and open it. Once you are inside the plan, make sure you are on the board view where you can see your buckets and task cards laid out. Next, locate the area on the screen where Planner shows view or filter options. In many layouts, this appears near the top of the board, close to sorting, grouping, or filtering controls. Click on the highlighted controls shown in your interface. This is the menu that lets you adjust what you see on the board, including whether completed items are shown. After you open that menu, look for the option labeled Completed Tasks. Click on Completed Tasks to display tasks that have already been marked as done. Once selected, Planner will update what you see, so completed task cards are visible again in the plan. As a quick tip, when completed tasks are visible, you can scan them to confirm final details like titles, assignments, and completion status. If your board feels crowded after turning this on, you can use the same menu again later to hide completed items and return to a cleaner, active work view. This is especially useful when you are preparing updates, reviewing progress, or auditing work that was finished earlier in the week. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.